Hey guys, we've got a treat for you today. Tasha and I are at Elizabeth Gardens, and it is in Silverhill, Alabama. So you guys are going to love this little house we're going to show you. It packs a pretty good size punch. So we're going to take you inside and let you check it out. Here we go. We're in Silverhill. You'll have to check this out. It's a nice little country setting. Today, we're going to show you the Kelly floor plan.
Kelly.
Take a look at this here and you can see what VR Horton has done. They've got a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,510 square foot home with a beautiful porch.
Yeah, I love the porch.
Tasha's going to take us in and show us around. This is the model home. We're going to start in the kitchen and work our way back. So here's that beautiful kitchen. And of course, they've got nice granite countertop, nice undermount sink.
And this nice corner pantry.
Hey, it's all lit up too.
This is a huge pantry. Very nice.
Yeah, let's take a look in there. Like I said, this is a model home. And they've got their goodies in there. So, here we are. We're going to take a look around the kitchen.
This is spacious. It feels bigger than 1,500 square feet.
It definitely shows well the size. You'd think it was a much bigger home.
And over here is there's plenty of storage in this house.
So it's almost like 2 pantries, huh?
This one has a light. No light in here, but it's still...
Okay. It's a nice big space.
And then...
It's a laundry room behind you, huh? Utilities. Swing this camera around. Look at the size of this table. It's a pretty good sized table for good space. And you've got your living room here. You've got it all dolled up real nice for a model home.
Yeah, it's beautiful, and we're in a nice country setting too.
This will take on some water when it gets full. We'll have a pond area behind you. Let's look at the outdoor space. Well, isn't that nice? Just sit out here and relax.
And you could easily screen this in if you want to screen it in porch.
Yeah.
And that's County Road 48.
Yeah. It's not very noisy. If you want to live out in the country, this is doing it.
I love it out here. It's very peaceful.
We've got utility hookups on the wall if you think you need a TV sitting out in the country. So we've got the nice flooring in this home. They've got it trimmed out very nicely.
And so Silverhill, we are about 45 miles to the beach, or not 45 minutes, not 45 miles. I don't know what I said.
It's okay.
Okay, 45 minutes to the beach, 7 minutes to Fairhope.
Yeah.
So you get the proximity to Fairhope without the Fairhope bougie price tag.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice.
Let's see what she's got to show us here.
Okay, do you want to save the primary for last, or you want to go ahead and check it out?
Let's go ahead and check it out.
Okay.
We're down here. Sorry guys, this is how we do things.
Okay. This is primary. This is a king size bed. This is quite spacious.
Plenty of room. Got plenty of room. What else do you need?
This is very nice. There's
Double vanity.
yeah, the dual sinks, lots of storage.
That's a granite countertop.
And really nice walk-in closet right there.
Okay. I'll just poke our heads in here. Like I said, it's the model home. They've got their goodies in here.
And here's the toilet and the nice large shower.
Separate room.
Yes. And there's still more.
We're going to follow Miss Tasha, and she's going to go show us the rest of this house. You won't believe the price point on this one.
There's just this coat closet is bigger than I expected.
Is that a spare bedroom? Oh, it's just a coat closet.
Oh,
I guess if you have people,
I was expecting
plenty extra room.
like a dinky shallow one. That's a good size. And then this is the garage, and
they've got it set up as a sales office right now, so
I don't
there's
want to bother
people in
them.
there.
So here's
Fixing the potty. We don't want to.
So it has the tub shower combo, and these are nice tall ceilings.
Yeah.
Too. Yeah, this is
That works.
Yeah. Here's the second bedroom.
Hey, this works. Got a nice. Let's see if that's a reach-in closet. Wow, it's up pretty deep for a reach-in closet. There's plenty of room in there.
And here's the third bedroom. It's just a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1510 square feet. It's the Kelly floor plan. And we're in Silverhill. The name of this community is Elizabeth Gardens.
Very nice. Another nice size closet.
And the price, this is the model home, but the price point of this floor plan is around $301. So
you get quite a bit for $301. Nice neighborhood, nice beautiful neighborhood. Proximity's great.
And it's away from the crowds, it's in a peaceful country setting. And Fairhope is just a short drive away.
Nice. Well, we've got another one to show you here in just a minute, so if you stick around, I'll bring it to you. So, we're on to the next house for you. This one's a Julia. Same neighborhood, built by D.R. Horton. So,
yep, and let's go check it out.
Yeah. Here we go. So here we go. We're going to show you this beautiful home. Tasha's going to show us around as usual. Nice outside. Beautiful siding.
Come on in.
Okay.
This one has the smaller front porch.
So this is a study. This one's Julia. What's the name of this model home? Here you go. Here's your utility room. There you go. Plenty of room for your washer and dryer. A little extra.
Garage.
Some garage space is over here to my left.
And it's open concept.
Open concept. We don't have any furniture in this one.
No. But you could have your living room area over here. Then you could have some seating at the bar. The island, the quartz countertops.
Those look nice.
Yeah.
Nice undermount sink. It's a little bit of an upgrade over the granite.
Right. And it has a black backsplash.
Tasha says it has a backsplash. Look at that. Got your appliance package.
And it's the a smart home. It has the smart home switches.
Mm-hmm. And that's going to be your dining room, I take it.
Dining area.
Dining area.
Let's see. It does have a covered back
Nice.
porch. Covered patio.
Nice covered patio. It's going to have a pretty good sized backyard actually on this one. All these homes are built to gold fortified standards. It's huge on your insurance costs.
Yes. And here's the primary.
Hey, nice. She wants to show us the closet.
It's a small walk-in closet.
Yeah, that works.
Yes. It has an ensuite with. I'll just let you go in.
Okay. Hey, double vanity. Shower, yeah. That's nice, that works. So D.R. Horton builds a home for every budget.
Yes. And this is, I think, around $294, but I think there might be a lower price too. We'll have
They're
to
always
find out.
running
Yeah.
some sort of a deal.
Yeah.
You know, that's what they do.
And then there's that's the pantry. So
Works. This one's got a few upgrades, like the quartz and the backsplash, and got some nice trim on stuff. Yeah. We've got some green tape on some stuff here because they're doing touch up. That's part of their process. They're getting it ready for the end user.
these are, I feel like, smaller bedrooms.
Yep,
too.
a little bit smaller bedroom.
It's cozy.
I'd estimate these to 10 by 11 bedroom, but it still has a reach-in closet.
The square footage.
She's got the cheat sheet, guys. Here she goes.
Okay.
She's gonna get technical on us here.
Because it's 1443 square feet.
Okay, it's a little smaller than the last house.
And it has the study,
Uh-huh.
so that's pulling away some square footage
Yep.
too. So that's why the other one felt so
Yeah.
much bigger.
She's got another bedroom here to show you. There's more of that
Here's the
green tape on the wall. We'll go in here and take a peek around. There you go. Nice shower surround. And here's the third bedroom.
bedroom number 3. And this house already has the blinds in.
Man, those are some tall ceilings.
Yeah, yes. Yeah, this-
Because Tasha's like 8 foot tall. Look at all the space above her head. Okay, I might be bending the truth a little bit on that one. Comes with the blinds. That's a plus. Another reach in.
But if you wanted to get the same home in Gulf Shores or Foley or Fairhope, you'd be.
It's going to take a pretty good sized bump, isn't it?
Yes.
Flooring's nice. Like I said, they build homes for every market. So if this one doesn't suit you, we can find one that does. Here's the study. So the way we remember Julia studies. So that's how we remember this home. Because they have this home in a couple of other communities. But we're Phillip and Tasha Smith.
Yes, we should have said that a long time ago. But yes, we're Phillip and Tasha Smith. We're your Gulf Coast Realtors. Please like and subscribe and reach out to us. Call, text, email, and we'd love to help you relocate and find the right home for you.
We do videos like this once a week, trying to get something out so you guys can see what's out there and available. So guess what that means? If you go to our channel, you can binge watch.
You can see all the neighborhoods.
All the neighborhoods. That helps. So thank you so much, and you all have a wonderful day.
Bye.